mga boys. Ayan si Kuya. And ayan si Hi Kuya, how did you go? Ayan si Chona. And meron ditong food. Good morning guys! It's Sunday and ang aga ko nagising kanina kasi maaga ko natulog kagabi mga around 8 and si Jan pala alis. Ayun. Ha?
Black look alright.
White. Black is alright, hon. May ano siya, golf. Yun your golf is the main event for today? Kasi di ba kahapon sila tsaka yung mga bata. Tapos ano ngayon yung talagang lahat ano lang big people, walang kids. Kasi kahapon, mayroong junior, tapos sila dyan. Mga 36 yata sila kahapon na nag-golf. Tapos ngayon daw, 60 people yung kasama. Sa kasi lahat, maraming pupunta from Mount and Narakot. So, maraming pupunta ngayon. So, marami sila magkukompete. And it's gonna be 28, ha? 28 holes?
27.
27 holes ang gagawin nila sa mga bata. 8 rounds?
3 rounds!
How about me? Say good morning, kids. Naglalaro na sila ng PS4.
Wait, you cannot come back at 9. You're gonna come back at 9.
I'd be like. I'll say
Yeah.
no. Bye.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Gamit niya na yung binigay ko sa kanyang ano, para sa kanyang mukha.
Oh God.
And yeah, so magko-compete siya today. Kahapon din, nag-compete sila. Pero yung overall kahapon na magandang score, ang nakuha ay si Kuya TJ. Akalain mo yun? Natalo niya yung daddy niya. At yung ibang mga matagal na rin na naglalarong golf na mga matatanda na. Makikita niyo yun sa vlog kasi nag-vlog din ako. Kasi may mga, yung may tawag nun, award. And ang gagawin ko pala, kahapon, see you, Han! Kahapon, kagabi, yung pagdating namin, pagdating namin ni Holly, yung pag-close ko ng vlog, nagluto ako ng kanin kasi nga, may tira pa ako dyan na tuna. Kasi kami lang ni Holly yung kumain. Kasi yung boys, di ba, lagi silang nag-golf and kumakain na sila dun sa golf club. Tapos kahapon din kumain kami dun. So, hindi ito nagalaw and magpa-fried rice ako. And kanina, nilabas ko na, kanina pagising ko, nilabas ko na yung tinapa. Galonggong siyang tinapa, guys. So, ito yung partner ng aming sinangag. Si Kuya gusto niya yung sinangag, garlic. Yes, baby. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ito, hindi na ito mawala-walang dumi. Nung pagbili namin ng sampayan, nung tinulungan niyo yung boys na magbuhat. What do you want me to do with this?
It's open.
It's open. Nakabukas yung ng baby. At saka yung dal kagabi, ay kahapon, yung para siyang alive. Ang bigat nun, baba, oh. Okay, muna ako. Durugin ko muna tong kanin. Binasa ko yung kamay ko. Para hindi siya dumikit. Durugin ko muna to. And magpa-fried rice kami. So, yun nga. Ang aga ko pala, hindi ko na natapos kasi sige. Ang aga ko nagising kanina, mga 3:45. Kasi ang aga ko rin natulog kagabi. Siguro mga 8, tulog na ako. And hindi ako nag-edit. So, pag nag-edit kasi ako, inaabot ako magsisimula ko niya ng mga 10. So, inaabot ako niya ng mga, depende kung gaano kahaba yung aking vlog. Inaabot ako niya ng 1:00 or 2:00. So, maaga ako, late ako nagigising minsan. Pero pag may pasok yung mga bata, maaga pa rin ako gumigising kahit late ako natutulog. Para asikasuhin sila. Pero kagabi, natulog talaga ako. Hindi ako nag-edit. Natulog ako ng maaga. And gumising ako ng maaga. Kaya, sabi ni Jan, oh, makikita mo yung araw. Kasi kung nakikita ko naman ang araw, bumabalik ka sa bed pagkatapos mo asikasuhin yung mga bata. Siyempre, sabi ko kasi, pagod ako. Kulang yung tulog ko. Pero ngayon, ang sarap ng gising ko. Yes! So sila, naglalaro lang sila ng PS4. Pero mamaya, until 1 o'clock. Okay, boys?
Almost.
Ayan na naman. Minecraft na naman ang nilalaro nila. Nahihilo ako. So, yun. Magluto muna ako ng aming almusal, guys. Mag-aalas 8 na. 5 minutes to 8. So, durugin ko na tong kanin. Nakahiwa na ako ng garlic. And merong may kumakalabit dito sa akin. Yes.
This is my
Aray ko. Ito yung nabili namin kahapon. Gusto niyang ilagay ko sa bag niya. Kasi, yung mga kuya niya, wait, I'm gonna wash my hands first. Yung mga kuya niya, may ganyan din. Yung Dettol. Wait, Baba. Where you going? Where you going?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? I thought you're going to school.
Oh, is he going to school with the lunchbox?
Pinapaugasan niya rin sa akin yung lunch box niya. Okay? Hold. Ito ba? Ipasok lang yun dito.
You have to pull it.
Okay, it's alright now. Okay. Ano sabihin?
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, see ya.
And I open this.
Later, Mommy gonna
No,
fry.
I open this.
Okay, fix your hair. Brush your hair, please. Mag-fried na tayo ng kanin. Fried rice. Brush it, please.
No.
And can you please pick that one for Mommy? Thank you. And put
This
the...
is my room.
Yes.
For what?
For your...
nothing?
For nothing. For your room. Okay, ano na ako, magsinangag na.
Magic. Turn your apple. Magic. Magic. Turn your dog.
Magluluto na ako, Baba.
Magic. Magic. Turn your balloon.
Okay, magluto na si Mami. So, eto na, nagsasunod na tayo para sa ating mga chikiting. And next nito, magluluto ako ng egg. Chat, do you want egg?
I will, please.
What do you want, Kuya? Sunny side up or scrambled egg? Scramble for Zach? Sunny side. Okay. Gusto ni Zach, scrambled eggs like bali raw. Bali egg. Ang sinasabi niya, bali egg. And Kuya, sunny side up. Egg, Holly! Nasa siya? Nasa room niya. Nakita niyo ba, guys? So, lutuin ko lang to. Then, next nito, eggs. And then, tinapa na yung next. Na yung fried rice, pero hindi ko siya gusto kasi... Yes, wait, baba. Pero hindi ko siya gusto kasi hindi siya buhaghag. Gusto ko sa fried rice, buhaghag. Kaso yung kanin ko, hindi siya maganda. Ayan. Mas gusto ko yung basmati rice na pang fried rice. Ayan. And, nakaluto na ako ng 3 eggs. Yung sunny side up. And, may sumisigaw na po dito. You're so what? So hungry. Gutom na siya, oh. And, nalunod ako ng ESMR ni Alex. Ayan, oh. Ano? You're what? Are you hungry?
Yes.
You're hungry? Okay, wait. Almost done. Yun lang siya, una. Dinaan niya na lang sa sayo yung kanyang gutom mo. Magluluto na ako ng tinapa. What are you dancing? Tala. Ito yung tinapang galunggong. Ganito ang itsura niya. And sobrang lambot niya. As in, sobrang lambot. So, lulutuin ko to lahat. Meron ako dito. Tinutustado ko kasi malambot siya. So, gusto ko crispy. Ayan, o. Tostado talaga siya. And dapat baliktarin nyo siya na ganyan na yung itsura niya. Dahil pag hindi, ganyan ang mangyayari. Madudurog siya. So, lulutuin ko to lahat. Dapat na akong naluto. And ito yung hindi pa luto. Tingnan nyo. Ang lambot niya, guys. Ang lambot niya talaga. Napuputol, o, tingnan niyo. Ay, naputol na siya. Ang gusto ko sa tinapa sa amin sa Bicol, mayroong matigas na tinapa, yung maliliit lang. Amoy tinapa na yung bahay. Magsisindi ako ng kandila. Nakalimutan ko sindihan yung kandila. Kanina, pinainom namin si Sak ng Nurofen kasi nga, mayroon siyang sipon and naglalapa kahapon kasi sobrang hangin sa golf course. And yung isa, naghihintay pa. Gutom ka na, nak? So, hihimayin ko to para sa mga bata kasi malalaki yung tinik niya. And next time, hindi na ako bibili nito kasi ayokong ganyan. Yung parang durug-durug yung chan. So, hihimayin ko lang to. And ayan, naglagay na ako sa kanilang sinangag. Sinangag. Ayan na sila, oh. So, eto na yung kay Holly. Ayan na si Sak. Kumuha na si Sak. Eto yung kay Holly. Hinimay ko na. And eto, syempre, kanino pa ba ito? Sa nanay. And eto kay Zach. And nakalimutan ko yung ano ni Sak, yung scrambled egg. Sabi ko, mag-sunny side up eggs ka na lang. You're welcome. And eto yung kay Kuya. Wala, parang konti yung ulam ni Kuya. Himayan ko pa si Kuya. Baba, oh. And naggawa ko ng sausawan. Gusto ko may sili pero yung mga bata. Kuya, where are you?
This soy sauce.
Yes. Gustong gusto ni Kuya ang soya sauce. Alam niyo bang sinasabaw niya yan minsan sa kanin? Ano? Good? Say kain. Sana huwag kayong mahulog na ka. Patong kayo sa watermelon. Binuksan ko yung mga pinto.
It's a soy sauce.
Yeah, eat rice, Baba.
What's that smell?
That's the tinapanak.
What's that?
The fish. Smells good. Malamig. I will close na the door kasi malamig yung hangin.
That's apple.
Huh? Did I have
What?
sponge?
No. I already removed all the bones, so you're okay. Yeah.
Mom, this is a crystal.
It's alright.
Mom, can I use this spoon?
No, it's alright because it's crunchy. It's crunchy, Kuya.
All the bones scratchy.
Look at your Kuya, oh.
Can
Mom,
we have this
can I
before?
have this spoon?
Yeah.
Oh,
What about that door?
Yeah, we'll close that door too. And do you want me to get you watermelon? I have watermelon too. Dad, do you want watermelon?
That's like
Yes, please. Okay.
is it what?
Huh?
What lemon?
No, watermelon, the
Yeah.
red one.
I want some too.
Okay.
Hey, that's not all that you use.
For me.
Good, Kuya?
Mom, it's already cutted.
Yeah, but it's too big, so I'll cut it into pieces.
Going to find this.
Mom,
Find it.
thank you.
Okay.
That one has.
Okay, maybe I'm not gonna cut it.
I want bowl.
No, you don't have a bowl. You have to share like this, Baba.
Like with my hands.
Good?
I need a tissue paper. I'm meant to space.
Pressure, please.
Please.
You have to cut your eggs, Kuya.
Thank you.
Maghuhugas muna ako habang sila kumakain, then ako, kakain ako after.
Can I get this in there?
No! Well, it's up to you if you want to. Gusto niya isaw-saw yung yung watermelon. Ano sa? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put soy sauce on my rice.
Yeah.
Did you make that watermelon last night?
No, the other day when you were at golf. Alright, Baba?
Hey, what's that?
That's tomato. That's good, Baba.
Wait, I need to fry this.
Okay.
Can I put some in my eggs?
If you want to. That's enough, Baba. Eat, Baba. That's enough.
I don't need Hey, look at this!
Careful, bite it, please. Not too big, Baba, ha?
It's raw.
Huh?
It's raw. Mom, I can't save it.
Yeah, I can see
What?
Did you pray, Baba? You forgot the sign?
No, and not that, and not Kuya.
Musa.
And not Kuya that, and not Kuya.
Why you didn't send us no present friend say thank you for your food? I forgot.
What? Mom,
Huh?
you got fried rice?
Yeah, that's fried rice.
No, got more.
Yeah. Want more?
Have the egg.
Want more?
Mom, is there more egg?
Yeah, you want more eggs?
But Mom didn't always have one of that.
I know, I
I
said that,
don't
but exception.
I don't like more eggs because I don't still don't want.
Okay. You want rice, Kuya? Just a little bit, Kuya? You tell me.
Lots.
A lot?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mother. Si Kuya na talaga nakadalawang rice.
You know, that was the last egg.
That's supposed to be for Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, but, you know, if you want it.
Mom, can I buy more eggs?
Yeah, we will buy more.
Mom, look.
Eat the tomato.
Oh, I need the tomatoes.
Me play.
Huh? Eat tomato.
Oh,
Eat tomato. You want tomato now?
what more, please?
Try quick. It's sweet. That tomato. Try. And then with rice. Good? It's good.
So good.
So good, Dolly. Si Kuya
I
nakadalawa.
didn't fry it yet.
So, you're not eating your rice, huh? Eat your rice, please.
It was so sweet.
You're not gonna play PS until you finish that one, huh?
Where's all of it?
Yes.
It's good.
I told you it's good.
I'll lick it.
Yeah. Make you strong and healthy too.
Hello, Dad.
Nalobat kayo. You're still eating, Baba?
Yes.
Yes. Yung plato ni Kuya, ang kinuha niya lang sa egg is yung white part and nakadalawang balik siyang sinangag. Kay Sak, nakakain siya ng 1.5 na eggs and yan yung tira niyang kanin. Ako, natusok ako guys, nagkaroon ako ng splinter dahil dito sa hinihimay ko kasi yung galonggong na tinapa. Next time hindi na ako bibili nito kasi durug-durug siya ang pangit tingnan. So inalis ko yung mga laman and ayan, natusok ako and bumaon yung tinik. Ang sakit. So kumuha pa ako ng tweezer and hindi siya na dala sa tweezer. So inano ko siya, binutasan ko siya ng imperdible. Are you done? Okay. Ito yung kay Holly. Pero si Sak, marami siyang nakain na watermelon. Ayan na lang yung watermelon.
Why is it everyone in?
You like that one, Baba? And iniinom niya to yung binili ko pang V8. Yung breakfast. Mauubos mo na. Good job, Baba. Ako naman yung kakain, guys. Ito yung ulam ko, yung tirang adobong tuna. And kung hindi nyo pa napanood kung paano to gawin, punta kayo sa Chona's Kitchen, guys. Ginawa ko yan doon. And iinumin ko tong V8, yung power blend na healthy greens ang sabi. Tapos ay meron ako dyan. And yung mga boys, siguro mamaya magpo-fruits na lang yan kasi busog na busog. Lalo yung si Kuya, what you gonna have for lunch? What?
More fried rice.
Magpo-fried rice ulit si Kuya. And ayan si Baba. Hi, Baba.
I'm gonna eat this.
Okay. Mommy will fix it later. Kain muna ako, guys. Yung tirang egg ni Sak. And eto, binalot ko na lang siya sa cling wrap kasi mas gusto ko tong ulamin. And eto, masakit siya, guys. So, parang ano, ayan, yung natusok ng buto ng tinapa. Sana nakuha ko lahat kasi masakit siya. Kain muna ako. Kain, guys. Guys, 1:30 na. And si Kuya, ang gusto niya lang kainin is... What's that, Kuya?
Fried rice.
With what?
Soya sauce.
Soya sauce. Yan lang ang gusto niya. Si Holly kumakain din nandun. And si Sak, gusto niya fruits and
Fried
sandwich na lang. Yeah.
What is it?
That's a V8. The green one. Wala namang ganap, guys. As in, hinihintay ko lang si Jan. Pero mamaya pa rin si Jan. Yeah, it's alright. Kuya. Tinatry niya yung V8. It's good. It's good. You used to drink that one when you were little. When mommy made a juice. Remember? See, gusto niya. Good job, Kuya. Kahit toyo yung ulam niya, may ano naman siya, may green juice naman siya.
Oh, something good.
Yeah, you can show it, Kuya.
Right.
I'll get you later.
Good. I'm already.
Okay, try.
Ew.
Yeah, okay.
Don't like it.
Si Kuya, para talaga siyang ano, pwede siyang mabuhay talaga sa Pinas.
I don't like
Pag walang
it.
pambiling ulam, pwede kay Kuya ang
I
toyo.
don't like it.
So, mamaya na lang kumakain lang
I
si
like the
Kuya.
orange one.
Huh? Good job, Kuya. Diba?
I don't like the smell though.
Yeah, but you like the taste. Ayun yung amoy.
I don't like it.
Diba? Sabaw
Mom,
na
I like
toyo.
I
Ayun yan na ng ano.
like that. Mom.
Yung tinapa. Ako rin, ayaw ko rin yun.
Mom. I like the orange one.
Ha?
I like the orange
She likes
one.
tropical.
The tropical one. The V8 tropical. Good, Kuya? Good job. Oh, who's here? Daddy.
I
Yeah.
got
Nanalo ka?
A grade scratch winner runner up.
Wow,
I was
congrats.
second.
You're
Not second.
You get
The one
second?
that won it, he wins all the club championships in the mound. He's pretty good.
Very good.
So I come second.
At least you got something. Right, Baba?
I come second, my love.
Andito na si John.
Yeah,
And a
is
hat.
that?
Yeah, same as TJ.
What? No.
The brand.
Yeah, Titleist.
Yeah.
So good day, good weekend for the Howards at the Point Nine Golf Club.
Yeah, the Howard's house.
Well, you've been sleeping, darling.
Did you have tea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Bob.
So, wala naman kong ginawa, guys.
seen all day.
Yung mga boys, magluto na lang ako ng, ano, ng hotdog. So, yun na lang yung tea namin. Baba, let's close the vlog. Wala naman kasing nagnap lang kami ni Holly. And ayan na si John. 6 now, Holly. 6 o'clock.
Yeah, Lolly just finished presentation.
Yeah, yung presentation medyo matagal kasi. And kanina lumabas yung mga...
Into Willow's shed.
What for?
Oh, let's get together.
Oh, we're gonna celebrate.
Oh, runner up.
To celebrate those
There was 40 in the field.
How many? All of you?
40.
I thought 60.
No, a few didn't pulled out and that, but yeah, the one that won it, he's
Good one.
he's
Very
really he's the best in the mount.
Wow.
So he was 111, I was 10 shots behind him for 3 rounds. So
How many rounds? 4 rounds?
2 holes,
4 rounds, honey?
3,
3 rounds.
2 holes, 2 holes.
It's alright. TJ get the...
Yeah, no, thank you.
Yeah, kuya nanalo si kuya 2 beses eh, Friday and Saturday. Then si Jan, second runner-up. But it's alright. So, close na namin yung vlog. So, magluluto na lang ako ng hotdog for Holly. Nagnap kami ni Holly. And then, nagkanta siya ng, what did we sing, Baba? Bago kami natulog, kanta kami ng Bahay Kubo. Right, Baba? Okay, guys. Thank you. Wala naman masyadong grap. So, yun na guys yung vlog. Thank you. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you, Baba.
Tell me who you seek.